Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on wireless mouse. If you have one, it may not be this particular type, and it may be this type, then this is how to turn it on. So for this particular type of wireless mouse, to turn it on, there is an on and off button underneath it. So if you turn it on just once, this is going to activate the wireless mouse. And the moment you see the red light indicator, it shows that the wireless mouse is turned on. And then if you have the type of wireless mouse that has light around it, if you want to turn on the light while the wireless mouse is turned on, then push it up once again. Then you should see the light indicator on the side of the mouse like that, different from the red light underneath the mouse, indicating that the mouse is turned on. Now to turn off the wireless mouse, just drag this down. So what you want to do here is this: you want to locate where to turn on and turn off your wireless mouse once it is fully charged, and then turn it on, and then you will be good. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.